Good morning, students. So, last time we did half of the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. I told you everything about the writer, Stephen Spender, and the basic that the poem is set in an elementary school classroom means a primary school which is located in a slum. And I told you that whole this para, the explanation of this para and the second para also. Okay, so we were here at the third para. So let's start with this. Surely Shakespeare is wicked and the map a bad example. So here the poet is telling us what is the situation of these slum children. Like he is saying that Shakespeare is wicked. So he is saying that Shakespeare is a bad example, and map Shakespeare's face which is drawn on the wall of the classroom is a bad example, as well as the map is a bad example for them. Why they are the bad example? Because they have nothing to do with Shakespeare. Like Shakespeare is a big name in English literature. I can say till now he is the biggest name. Okay, so until or unless you are not full, मतलब जब तक कि आपका पेट भरा नहीं होता, योर बेसिक इम्यूनिटीज़ आर नॉट कंप्लीट, यू आर नॉट एबल टू पॉन्डर ओवर अदर थिंग्स. आप अदर चीज़ों के बारे में, क्रिएटिव चीज़ों के बारे में, लिटरेचर के बारे में, एकेडमिक्स के बारे में नहीं सोच सकते हो जब तक कि आपकी बेसिक नीड्स कंप्लीट नहीं होती. सो दीज थिंग्स आर बैड एग्जाम्पल फॉर देम. एंड बेसिकली वन मोर थिंग इज़ देयर दैट the area, the slum in which they are living, it is not mentioned in a map. Okay, now with ships and sun and love tempting them to steal, and the things which they saw, like कि ships उन्हें दिखती हैं, and the clean environment where the sun is there, and love they saw, it make them to, they feel tempted towards that and they wanted to steal that. Because जब आपके पास कोई चीज़ नहीं होती और आपको पता है that you can't even get that, तो आप उसको चुराने की कोशिश करते हैं. मीन्स उन टेम्पटेशन मीन्स अ काइंड ऑफ अट्रैक्टिव. they are attracted to these things and they want to steal all these things for lives that slyly turn in their crammed holes. और उनकी लाइफ जो है that is very cunningly it is changing into crammed holes, यानी कि बंद छेदों में उनकी लाइफ जो है that is changing. How it is changing? Because they are living in a slum area and the atmosphere is very black and darkened by the pollution. Okay, and the sky was covered with lead. Okay, means a high amount of pollution is there in the air. Now फ्रॉम फॉग टू एंडलेस नाइट मीन्स उनकी जो लाइफ्स है ना, इट्स डार्क ऑलवेज. फ्रॉम फॉग टू एंडलेस नाइट, उनकी जो धुंधली रातें जो हैं वो और ज़्यादा काली होती जा रही. ऑन देयर स्लैग हीप दिस चिल्ड्रन, और वो कहाँ पर हैं? दे आर ऑन द स्लैग हीप. आई टोल्ड यू द वर्ड मीनिंग्स ऑल्सो लास्ट टाइम. ठीक है, दे आर सिटिंग ऑन अ स्लैग हीप. वो एक गार्बेज के ढेर के ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं बिकॉज दे आर इन अ स्लम एरिया. These children wear skins peeped through by bones and spectacles of steels. वो कहते हैं कि इन बच्चों की जो बोन्स हैं दे आर सो थिन, वो इतने ज़्यादा पतले हैं कि उनकी हड्डियाँ उनकी स्किन के बाहर दिखाई देती हैं. एंड दे आर वेयरिंग स्पेक्टिकल्स ऑफ द स्टील्स मीन्स दे आर नॉट वेयरिंग प्रॉपर स्पेक्ट्स. उन्होंने कहीं से कुछ अरेंज करके कुछ बॉटल ग्लास से और फ्रेम से अपने स्पेक्टिकल्स बनाए हुए हैं विद मेंडेड ग्लास लाइक बॉटल बिट्स ऑन स्टोन्स. All of their time and space are foggy slums, so blot their maps with slums as big as doom. So कह रहे हैं their whole life is spending in that slum area. We need to blot their map, means we need to change their map. हमें उनकी गंदी बस्तियाँ जो है उनको change करना है. So now here is a suggestion which is given by the poet. Like unless governor, teacher, inspector, visitor, this map becomes a window and the windows. So कह रहे हैं कि these people who are in authenticity, who belongs to aristocrat or rich society, they need to change their map, they need to change their condition. Like governor, teacher, inspector, visitor, they have to join their hands together. This map becomes their window and these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs. कहते हैं we need to make this map their विंडो. हमें इस मैप को उनकी विंडोज़ बनाना चाहिए, जिसने कि अभी तक क्या करा, उनकी लाइफ को कैटाकॉम्स यानी कि एक बंद छेद की तरह उनकी लाइफ को बंद किया गया. कैटाकॉम मीन्स स्मॉल, कम्बरसम. ब्रेक ओ ब्रेक टिल दे ब्रेक द टाउन. इससे पहले कि वो हमारे जगह में आकर के हमारे मैटर्स में इंटरफेयर करें, हमारी प्लेस में ट्रेसपास करें, वी नीड टू break that slum area. We need to make them relocate somewhere else, or we need to make their place to be a place where we can live. and show the children green fields and make their world. And we need to brought up them in a very प्योर इन्वायरमेंट, इन अ प्योर एटमॉस्फेयर. रन एज्योर ऑन गोल्ड सेंड्स, यानी कि वो ब्लू लाइट, एज्योर मीन्स होता है ब्लू लाइट, मीन्स दे नीड टू सी द प्योर ब्लू स्काई. And let their tongues run naked into books, and let them have the right to education. The white and green leaves open, history of their whose language is the sun. Now here this line is very important, because those people who have their own language, they have their culture, their mention is there in the history books. But those who don't have academics, who don't have education, their mention is not there in history books. So this is the poem in which the poet discuss, or there is in this poem there is an urge. Okay, the poet wants certain steps to be taken for these slum children. So these are the things which are discussed in the poem. If you have any doubt, you can send me a voice message and I will sort it out. Okay, thank you.